folds by itself. Wave over the deck, they actually change. 3, magically multiply. The secret will surprise you. It looks crazy, it looks impossible. EvanEraTV.com. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 7 easy magic tricks that you can learn in 5 minutes. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. Okay, check it out. I have a bottle of water here and I also have a drinking glass. Watch what happens. This is so crazy. 1, 2, 3. Turn it upside down and check this out. The water just instantly stops right there and it doesn't overflow the glass. It looks crazy, it looks impossible, but it's actually just science. Stay tuned for the secret coming up next. This one is super easy and pretty much self-working. All you need is a cup and a bottle of water. I've just colored this blue for the performance so you can see it. All you have to do is take the bottle of water and you're going to invert it, dump it into the cup just like this, and then you can leave the bottle sitting in the cup just like so. Now as soon as the water level gets to the mouth of the bottle, it will stop moving, it will stop filling the cup. Now the reason this happens is it's actually reaching a point of equilibrium in pressure between the air pressure outside and the water pressure inside the bottle. So where the bottle is positioned in the cup right now, this is like the point of equal pressure. And as we move the bottle up, you can see more water spills from the bottle into the cup. That is because as we raise it, the water pressure inside the bottle has somewhere to go and it can escape into the cup because we're giving it more room. So grab a bottle, some water, and try this one out at home. Okay, this one has been going viral online. You take a spoon and some cocoa powder and a little bowl of milk. You take a little scoop of cocoa powder in your spoon like this. Now watch, you take it and dunk it down in the milk, let it absorb. Now look, you take a toothpick. You can see the cocoa powder is completely wet. Watch what happens. 1, 2, 3. And it magically turns back to completely dry. Stay tuned for the secret coming up next. This one is made possible entirely by the cocoa powder itself. All you have to do is get a scoop of it in your spoon, and then you're going to bring it over to a cup or bowl of milk and submerge it down inside. Now the milk is going to begin to absorb into the powder, but it actually kind of sits right on the surface of it because the powder is hydrophobic. And it really doesn't begin to fully absorb until the powder is disturbed. That's why when you poke it with a toothpick, it looks like it becomes dry. It's actually just absorbing the milk. See, if you stir it up, it's kind of clumpy now because it's mixed with the milk. That is the secret to the magic instant dry cocoa powder. Try it out at home. This is my little magic black box, and inside this little magic black box is a little magic red box. Now what's crazy about this is that the red box fits inside the black box, as you can see, but what's really weird is that the black box, when you close it up, will actually fit inside the red box. Seems impossible, I know, but the secret will surprise you. This is one of our fan favorites from EvanEraTV.com. These are the amazing in and out boxes. This is completely self-working magic. They're actually engineered to be the exact same size as each other, and a good way to demonstrate this is you can actually switch the tops and bottoms of the red and black to where they fit in each other perfectly, just like so. It seems totally impossible, like how could one fit inside the other? Like one has to be bigger than the other, like how could the black fit inside the red if the red one fits inside the black? So head over to EvanEraTV.com today or stay tuned for the end of the video for a special giveaway. Watch the dollar bill. If I just set it on the palm of my hand, you'll see this happen. And the bill magically folds by itself. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. The magic self-folding dollar bill. This is a classic trick, and it's super easy to do once you set it up. All you need is a dollar bill and some thread. You want to make sure it's black thread or some invisible thread like this. This is kind of like a clear monofilament type thread. Then you're going to fold up the dollar just like this. You don't have to use American currency. You can do this with any paper banknote. Fold it in half like this, and then in half again like this. Now the last fold you're going to make is this way, creating making kind of a square shape here at the end. And make sure it's nicely creased. Now we're going to take a length of our thread and thread it through the needle. And you're going to poke it through the dollar right here in this corner. And you want to make sure it goes through all the layers of the bill. Once you have the needle and thread through the bill, snip off the needle. And now we're going to tie this in a knot and then tape it in place. And that is going to anchor it right there. Take the other end of the thread and attach it to our belt loop. As you unfold the bill, you can see the thread is now woven through the bill. So as you bring your hand forward and put tension on the line, it's going to begin to fold up. It looks like such a cool illusion of that bill just folding up on its own. It looks like a camera trick. As I said, this is super easy to do once you have it set up. It resets very quickly and you can save this and perform it over and over again. This is an amazing and simple card trick that you can perform at home. So check it out. I have a red deck of cards here. You can see all the cards are red and they are all different. They're not all the same card or anything like that. So watch what happens. As I wave over the deck, you can see this happen. 1, 2, and 3. And look, they actually change into blue cards just like that. And they're not like double-sided cards or anything. Super easy to do, and I'll show you the secret right now. The secret to this one is brilliant in how simple it is. All you're going to do is take two halves of separate decks of cards. In this case, we're going to use a blue deck and a red deck. You're going to take the two halves and put them face to face. That way, when you have the deck and you show it like this, it looks like a red deck of playing cards, and you can show the front faces to build in the viewer's mind that it's a real deck and they're not double-sided cards. Then all you're going to do when you wave across the deck is simply flip it over in your hand. The wave of your hand on top provides some cover as you flip the deck over. And it looks like the cards have instantly changed into a different colored deck. Be careful when spreading not to go too far into the deck because you'll start to expose the face-up cards. You can pretty openly spread these, show the front faces to show they're not double-sided cards, and take your applause. That's a super cool card trick that you can do right now. Okay, really cool trick with this penny. So keep your eyes on the penny. I have a paper towel tube as well. Watch, I'm just gonna take it and drop it through the paper towel tube to prove to you there's nothing tricky going on. So watch, I'm gonna add a little magic to it this time. As I drop the penny through the tube, watch what happens. 1, 2, 3. And just like that, the coin magically multiplies into a bunch of pennies. Okay, here is the explanation to the magic coin tube. Your first step is to take an empty paper towel tube and you're going to cut a hole right in the back of it. If you're a kiddo, you're gonna need an adult's help with this. Now that you have the hole cut in the back of the paper towel roll, you want it just big enough for your thumb to slip inside. Next, you're going to need a bunch of little portraits of Abraham Lincoln, also known as pennies. You can use any coinage for this. You just need a bunch of them. You can also use other things, and you can actually do it with anything. You can take a Cheerio and all you have to do is drop it through the magic multiplying tube and look. You can literally do it with anything, even candy. Watch, take the Skittle. Here's what you're going to do with them. You're going to stack them up, all but one, and you're going to position them inside the tube and kind of press them against the side wall using your thumb. So now that you're in this position, you're ready to present it to your audience. You have your thumb holding your stack of coins pressed against the wall of the paper towel tube and your other coin right here. Now you can demonstrate that there's nothing in the tube by dropping the coin through, just being careful to drop it on the side opposite where you're holding the coin. So you can see where I'm holding the coins there. You just want to be sure to drop the penny on the other side. Now all you have to do to create this illusion of the coin multiplying as it passes through the tube is simply let go of the pressure with your thumb. You want to time it so that the coin is about midway through the tube when you let go, and it will look perfect. Watch. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it too. Please leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment down below. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Snapchat, your Instagram. Subscribe if you're new. We make new magic videos like this every single week. Hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell. Head over to EvanEraTV.com. That is our online magic shop. We have Laugh at Life gear, a lot of other cool stuff, really cool magic tricks you can't find anywhere else. The link for that is in the description of this video at EvanEraTV.com. You can get the in and out boxes that you saw in this video and a lot of other cool stuff. And it's giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props that you saw in this video. If you want to win any of the magic that you saw, leave a comment down below. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and be subscribed to EvanEraTV. It's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last how-to magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen. Congratulations to everyone who won that giveaway. If you won that drawing, be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.